Teresa. She is one of our colleagues. And now I'm back to Asmita ma'am. She will be the MC for this Sambhavna event. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my lovely children. I say good evening, salam alaikum, and namaskar. On behalf of EduScan Group, I, Asmita, welcome you all for this colorful evening of Sambhavna, the cultural festival of EduScan. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I am sure all your mobile phones are on the silent mode. Thank you for that. I am sure that you have seen the painting exhibition called Rainbow. It must have shown you a lot of rainbow colors. These paintings are made by the children of determination on the spot. They might not be able to express their emotions through words. However, in Rainbow you must have witnessed their inner world, which is full of joy, love, passion, compassion, and their perception towards this whole world and the life. They have poured the colors of their heart on the blank screens, and you must all have seen the all the canvases have come out as a line poured through their own eyes. And thank you, all my budding artists who have made such wonderful paintings, and I'm sure, please give them a huge round of applause. They deserve it. This is the second consecutive year of annual cultural festival of EduScan Sambhavna. EduScan strives to nurture the talents and provides a platform to showcase them. I would like to thank you all for the motivation and drive. You have been continuously supporting us and have been participating in all the events we have been organizing. And this support of yours and your motivation and your love towards our EduScan children actually gives our children a lot of love and motivation and drive. When we determine to extend our hands of support and provide a loving and caring environment to our children of special needs, we see them blooming as artists and developing into young leaders. We thank you, EduScan, for making children what they are today. Thank you so much. Now we had Holy Quran. The national anthem of the UAE now will be played. Performance by children of determination with the renowned artist Mr. Gautam Kale. I'll give an introduction about Mr. Kale. Music, as all of you know, is the language of heart. It comes within the heart, it touches the soul and enlightens the spirit within. Music is upasana of Naad Brahman. when Upasana is performed with inherent love for music and devotion for the Guru, a musician like Gautam Kale rises. Gautam is born and brought up in a family of musicians. His father, Dr. Kishore Kale, is a noted musician himself. He is actually his first Guru. After getting a formal training in classical music by Srimati Kunda Joshi, Pandit V.G. Ringe and Srimati Kalpana Zorkarkar, he was recognized by the great maestro of Indian classical music, Padma Bhushan Pandit Jashraj. He has flourished under his loving guidance in the Mewati Gharana. Gautam ji is the founder of a premium institution called Gurukul. He established his institution in 2005 and trained thousands of students. Recognizing his contribution in Indian Classical Institute, he has been conferred numerous awards on the state and national level. He is the recipient of the Eklavya Award. Eklavya is the very prestigious award in India for the classical music. Nag Sadak Samman by Sangeet Kala Kendra and Taran Samman was given by Padma Vibhushan Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He has performed in the top musical festivals of India. Gurukul organizes Indore Musical Festival in Indore every year where the top musicians come to perform. Here we are going to witness an amazing musical show which is going to be performed by the children of determination with the celebrity Gautam Kaleji. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the young and dynamic musicians of India, Shri Gautam Kale, wow, with our children of determination. Please put your hands together. This is slight change. We have a very budding artist here called Zara, and she wants that her performance has to be first and everybody needs to see her first. She is our lovely girl, beautiful girl, and she is extremely talented. So we'll request Zara to firstly come on the stage and sing the song. Welcome, Zara.
Give the mic to Zara. Zara, smile.
Hello everyone, my name is Zara. My song name is Dumtana. Sing कैसे मैनों से नैन मिलाऊं सजना कैसे मैं ऐसे ना घबराऊं सजना कैसे आए ना ऐसे मोहे लाज सजना छूना ना देखो मोहे आज सजना दुमताना तन तन दुमताना तन तन दुमताना तेरा तेरा ब्रेक नहीं तू न चाहे प्रेम कितना मेरे मन में है ये बेचारे मांगती है रूप जो तेरे आवन में है तेरा फूल सा है रंग तेरे रंग में है रंग तेरे रंग के मैं संग गोरी ये तेरे रंग में है रूप तेरे रूप में है धूप तेरी धूप है आलोप गोरी सजना से काहे आए लाल सजनी छूने दे अंग मोहे आज सजनी दुम ताना तन तन दुम ताना तन तन दुम ताना तेना तेना चलती फिरती हूँ चलती से मिलती हो जिसमें ये मेरा कोई जाम है जैसे नजरें मिलाते हो खाब के समावर देखो दिल में बस जाना मेरा ताब है जैसे अरे दिल में मैंने बस जाए मैं रोका कम है लेकिन क्या अरमान है मेरा ये तो समझा दे सजना ना से काहे आए लाज सजनी, छूने दे अंग मोहे आज सजनी, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तेरा तेरा कैसे वंचारा वन की बात में आए कैसे, एक राजा को वनप्रीत बनाए कैसे, बहनों में प्यार का ये ताज सजना, पर्दे हो तुम क्यों फिर मेरा सजना, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तेरा तेरा ब्रेक नहीं, तू न चाहे प्रेम तेरे आबन में है, मेरी मीत तेरे गीत तेरी प्रीत, मेरे गीत तेरी प्रीत, मेरी जीत गोरी है, मेरी जीत में भी हार में है, हार में है प्यार, मेरे प्यार है इकरार गोरी है, फूल के सारे आकाश सजनी, छूने दे अंग मोहे आज सजनी, हो आए ना कैसे मोहे लाज सजना, छूना ना देखो मोहे आज सजना, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तेना तेना, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तंग तनर, दुम ताना तेना तेना।
It was a wonderful song by her. She is such a lovely girl. Thank you, Zara, for making us, feel. I'm like, Hindi में बोलते ही रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. So it was such a beautiful song by her. Now we'll request our students of Children of Determination, Shri Gautam Kale ji, and he'll be accompanied by, on tabla is Mr. Gulshad, on keyboard Mr. Siraj, and on harmonium Javed Akhtar. Please welcome Mr. Javed Kale along with our Children of Determination.
I'm very happy to be here for this special program from India. Actually, I met these three kids yesterday, and I felt like I call them differently able. They have a beautiful sense of music with them, and I tell you, in just 1 hour or 1.5 hours or 1 hour 49 minutes, these guys learned raga from me. I know it's a basics, but they learned all the things of Indian raga. Raga named Raga Ahir Bhairav. It's a morning melody. But before going on with the raga, I'll ask these three boys to play 1 minute solo thing for you all, so that you'll get to know what they have learned before, and then we all will perform in front of you. Very famous. It is in the movie also, and we sing this special bandish, we call it a bandish in our Indian classical music too. So let us start hearing them one by one, and then we'll move ahead.
Bailame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé, taqui taqui, taqui taqui, bailame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé, taqui taqui.
what we have planned. Can you have the keyboard voice please? Volume for this keyboard, for this synthesizer. A bit louder. This one. Thank you. That's it. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da ma sa sa re ga ga ma pa pa da da ni sa sa ni da da pa pa ma re sa alabela sajan ayo re alabela sajan ayo re alabela sajan ayo re murad man sukh ayo re alabela sajan ayo re chok pura चौकपुरा मंगल गाओ बन रंग समय पायो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे सा सा रे ग ग म म प प द द नि नि सा 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 नि नि द द प प म म ग ग रे सा अलबेला सजन आयो रे सजन आयो रे सजन आयो रे। Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, my lovely children of determination. It was a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful performance and a sensational performance. I will request all of you to please give a huge round of applause for the children and Mr. Karthik. EduScan organizes leadership camps for the children of the popular school of UAE and other countries. I take pride in inviting Anika, who is one such young leader trained by EduScan. Anika has come all the way from Chennai, India to participate and tell you her story and her experience of EduScan. Her counterpart is Ananya, who is from Dubai, and their participation bloomed into a beautiful bond of relationship which is called a friendship. And there is nothing much more important than being a good friend from India and Dubai. They got together and they have a strong bond together. The aim of such trainings is to develop discipline, character, brotherhood, the spirit of selfless service and friendship. Both Anika and Ananya are the best example of this and best example of what true friends across the countries can be. I invite Anika and Ananya on the dais to join me to share their experiences. Anika and Ananya, please join me. Come here. Good round of applause for Anika and Ananya.
Thank you, Mrs. Smita.
Good evening. We are so proud to be a part of the EduScan group. When we joined the summer programs, we thought it was going to be fun-filled, just to spend the vacation. But it turned out to be much more than we expected.
Yes, I was not sure what I'm going to gain other than keeping myself engaged. It was rather a big respite for my mom at home while we were in camp. But we realized that while following the routine, we have more focus and discipline and learning the small little nuances of life.
Absolutely. We were quite demanding kids, but after meeting with our counterparts who were special, we became humbler and filled with gratitude. They taught us how to smile and remain happy come what may.
We really can't thank our teachers and trainers enough to show our gratitude. And who else is behind all this? The one and only Dr. Alka Kalra, the founder of EduScan, who has later turned out to be a lifetime guide and mentor to us.
Dr. Alka is a renowned psychologist and a professional counselor who is known as a crusader for children who are misperceived as underachievers. With her unnerving passion for children who have hidden learning difficulties, Dr. Alka makes them believe in themselves and makes them realize that they have unique skill sets and strengths.
To manifest her passion into an action, she established EduScan Group in 1995. EduScan is the pioneer institute of UAE. Thousands of special and formal children are trained and leading life of confidence and conviction.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Dr. Alka Kalra to the dance.
Hi, good evening, special guests, my friends, dear parents, and my lovely children. Today, the 13th of April, probably the sun rise at the same time as yesterday. The rain droplets outside aren't any different than the ones which were there yesterday. But I think today is a very, very special day for all of us within these walls. Today is Sambhavna 2019. All the children backstage are extremely excited to present this evening just for you all, because you, the lovely parents, make a world to them. And you're so special. You would only get a feel of it when you get a chance to go backstage. Each one is looking for just their own mom and dad in this crowd. For me, Sambhavna 2019 is very special. A lot of you know what EduScan is, and some of you may not. I am Dr. Alka, the director of EduScan Group. EduScan is a center for capacity building. What do we do at EduScan? We work along with the schools, be it a child with a challenge, or be it any other child. We try enhancing the threshold by using the latest techniques and building the capacity. As we work with the whole spectrum of children, we very strongly believe in inclusion. And we're very lucky to be a part of this beautiful country, UAE. Because here, not only talk the language of inclusion, but we live a life of inclusion. And Sambhavna 2019 is the second of its series. It's a CSR initiative of EduScan Group. As round the year, we do the capacity building. We make it an event to bring in awareness in the community about our lovely children who are though different but very, very talented. This whole evening is actually an evening for them. Be it on instruments or be it singing, be it art or be it dancing, they love it all. And they love it when they do it for you all, as you are so special. I would love to thank all the special dignitaries up here who have spared their valuable time to encourage our children. Because you are the shining stars who actually clap for them and make them feel so very important. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time this evening. I would like to put a very, very special thanks to all the lovely mothers who work tirelessly with their lovely children and make sure they are up on the path of success. I can understand how difficult it could be, but you never give up. You try and try again. So when we were conceiving 2019 Sambhavna, we thought, what should we do this year? It has to be something different from last year. So we started connecting to the artist because this year we wanted it to be celebrated as art, as we do regularly art therapy with our children, as singing, because we believe music therapy is very important for them, and also dance, because that's another expressive art our children love. So when we started to explore, I was looking for the celebrities who are willing to come and do a workshop with our such children. And believe it isn't so easy to work with them. You've just seen that how Mr. Gautam Khaliji was spending wonderful time trying to create the rhythm with all my lovely children. It is a challenge. And to do that, he was very much willing, and he came 3 days before the workshop, and he spent time with children and finally created this small piece, which was probably not even 3 minutes, but it took a number of hours to create that. And children loved every minute of it. I would also like to mention our dance artist, a Dance India Dance finalist, and So You Think You Can Dance finalist Kalpita Kachu. Kalpita has been working with these kids, and believe it, it's been quite challenging. And not only our children, which has also gone up to training the moms of such children. And that was amazing. And very, very soon you will see all these mommies dancing with her on this stage this evening. My dear friends, you know, when there is a child with challenge at home, the person who suffers the most is the mother, because I work very closely with them. And I often see them asking me, doctor, why me? Why my child? Why my family? And they live with that pain at times if they're not able to resolve. And the mummies will cut the cost from all the corners to make sure that their children go for the best of the therapies, the best of the doctors, the best of the trainings. So we thought, let's make these mummies feel very important. And I'm so happy that they came forward for this dance training and they were so happy. So we had a solid 3 days training, and an output of that training, you will see it today. And not only that, we also are going to honor all those lovely mommies out there. I can see, be ready, today is your day. Let's clap for them. I know child rearing is anyway a challenge, but when it becomes doubly challenged, then it is really a smart, powerful woman to take care of. And I always tell you all, and I'll repeat that today, that the good Lord Allah blesses children only to those who He think can take care of them. And only you are those chosen few. Everybody cannot get it because they're not that smart. Because you are the smarter, powerful women and men, your powerful parents. That is why He has trusted His blessed children in your lovely families. You deserve a very big round of applause. And you all are doing marvelous jobs. You all are great. So we will very soon have mummies coming up on stage dancing for you all. Mummies coming up on the stage receiving awards for the great work they do every morning, every day, and every single night, tirelessly with a smile on their faces. Thank you so much for being a part of our team and helping our children achieve unimaginable targets. And believe it, whatever the challenge the children face, I'm sure that they all are unique and they have lovely capacities. But to get what you want in life, you have to work hard. And you're doing it, and you're on the path of success. So please stay back, sit back and enjoy this evening, because this is just for you all. And I'm so very happy. All our lovely children are very excited. I would want a round of applause for both our artists, Mr. Gautam College and Kalpika Kashmir. You will see the entire thing again up on stage with children, without children, and so forth. So HSK Group has two important arms. One is a regular center for children who are challenged, and we train them and finally vocationalize them and settle them in, and that is what is the passion. We also work along with regular children. We are the largest summer, winter and spring camp induction unit in the country. We do the leadership training programs. I would like to end here with a couplet in Hindi for all those who understand. I'll translate it for you who don't. As we all are on the path of full of challenges, I would like to sum up by saying, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, वक्त की शाख को हिलाना होगा, अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, अपने हिस्से का दिया हमें खुद ही जलाना होगा. Thank you very much. Desires will not let the things fall on you. Come on, let's brighten the day with all the hard work we choose to do it. Congratulations to each one of you for being here to witness your lovely children perform. So with this, we move on this evening. Just need to keep a note that every single program is a program of inclusion. You will find a lot of challenging children dancing with their regular mates or with the artists who have flown in. Thank you so much once again for sparing your valuable time this evening.
Thank you, Dr. Kalra. And I'm sure all of us, it is an eye-opener for all of us to see a lady with such determination doing such a wonderful work for such children and bringing in a change in our society. I would like to mention here, Dr. Kalra last year was awarded one of the best female, the woman strongest woman of UAE, Arab countries and in South Africa, entire countries. She was the 50th powerful woman. Please give her a round of applause for that. And one more great thing is that Dr. Alka's daughter this year has got the same award in the 100 powerful women of the same nature. Big round of applause for her. Thank you, Dr. Alka Kalra. Now I'll call on dais Anita, and Anita will take you to all the programs. Anita, please join me. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Anita. You have already told you about me. I hope you all are enjoying the event. But now onwards, we are going to enjoy it a lot. So, dance is the hidden language of the soul of the body. Dancing with the feet is one thing, but dancing with the heart is another. With this, I want to call the rock star of Eduskin to rock the stage. Welcome. We know the song. It's a very famous song. Coca-Cola.
And I congratulate all the parents who have put their children in EduScan and trusted EduScan because you really feel the difference. My daughter, she recently attended this one spring camp, and I feel that she's loving it.
दुनिया में मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ इस दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर ही एक जमाना है। क्लैप फॉर देम।
देखो देखो तुझको
Dedicate this song to all my mothers, especially to my mother. Nadi nadi nari, gula gula, mahindari nadiya. रंग तेरी जीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई लाई लाई। रंग तेरी जीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। जब जब मुझे पे उठा सवार, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। जीना जीना रे पूरा पूरा, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। ओ मेरी परछाई तेरा ख्याल, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। जीना 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 रे पूरा पूरा, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। रंग तेरी गीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई लाई लाई। रंग तेरी गीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। जब जब मुझे पे उठा सवार, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। जीना जीना रे पूरा पूरा, मैं तेरी तू नहीं आई। Thank you.
For this, to confer the awards for all, I would like to call on stage Mr. Sanjay Raina, who is the CEO of Fox Television. Mr. Sanjay Raina, thank you so much. To bring mothers on the stage, thank you.
Dile a tus amigas que andamos ready, esto lo seguimos en el after party. ¿Cómo te llamas, baby? Que te quiten tus amigas que andamos ready.
So to qualify to get a medal this evening, you need to be, and if you think that your child is facing some challenge and you've been turned up, and come to the side. Come on. And all others keep clapping for them. The beautiful mom makes us say, come on parents. Others, keep putting your hands together for all these lovely, that's lovely. This is beautiful. Yes, let's have, so all the outside, it's raining. And come on, match the tone. Beautiful. Lovely. Everyone is welcome. And let's have you keep guys. Yeah. All right. That's lovely. Mommy, stay back on stage. Mamas, put it on, all up on stage. That's lovely. All right. Brilliant. Okay. Those, please visit the medals before you go. Come on. You are the powerful women. Believe it. You have immense power in you. Nobody can match you. And we on this stage today honor you and recognize you for all your wonderful work you do with such lovely, beautiful, talented children. You deserve a big round of applause. All your counterparts. Anyways, we all acknowledge that how beautiful you are, how wonderful you keep doing and keep doing the wonderful work you did. And I think the more we talk about it, the less it is. How gorgeous. You all look so beautiful. Look at the lovely smiles. Wow. And I think that on this, you see the wonderful rain outside? All that rain is His blessings for each one of you, your lovely children. And I delete, they are no longer your children. They are our children. I delete that Y from your, now they are our children. And we together serve them. Wonderful. So can we have, so what is this? Okay, can we create a little play? Check it out. Thank you very much. The morning is on stage. And now our young artists are all set for their dance. Of this song, Jaya. And may I also invite Mr. Gautam Kale. Mr. Gautam Kale, the composer of the song, is very much here. Ah, sir. Come on, parents, put your hands together. All the teachers of EduScan, please be on stage. Come on, and all the children. Can we have Ramya, Subika in front of the stage? We don't ramp up Ramya and in the middle of stage as we play the Sambhavna song. Children, hold.
La 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 courageous, she's positive, she's elegant, she's qualified, she's humorous, she's happy, she's loving, she's mindful, she's youthful, she's kind, vibrant, she's willful, she's understanding, she's trustworthy, she's righteous, and she's strong. To our dear Dr. Alka, from my side and from the whole Hindustan group, we all love you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And what about all these images? My goodness. Thank you so much. You know, you have to give that's the God, right?
और इधर तुम गुडी बैग उठते करने पड़ते
In my heart. And
बैग
a
बैग
big thank
और रखे
you to all the lovely children and all the lovely teachers and everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And I think it comes from the bottom of my heart. And I'm so very happy. And Ritwik, you made this little piece, made it sound so impressive and so nice. God bless you. And I wait for the day when I say my, you know that big guy out there is my student when he was a little boy. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
सखी कलना परत मोहे घरी बरजन दिन कलना परत मोहे घरी बरजन दिन आने पे आवे जब से पिया परदेस गमन कीनो जब से पिया परदेस मरनी नानी दबन मम गमनी नानी 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 सा जब से पिया परदेस नीनी नानी दबन मम गमनी नानी There are few very melodious songs which are based on छाप तिलक सब छाप तिलक सब छाप तिलक सब मत मुहे मत वारी की छाप तिलक सब
के झरने सावन के झरने लगे सावन के झरने लगे सावन के झरने लगे मेघवा सताए मन तरसे मेघवा सताए मन तरसे सावन के झरने लगे सावन के
Without a team contributing to make the event happen. On behalf of EduScan, I would like to thank each and one of you who are present today to make this event a memorable one. I would like to thank the board of Pakistan Association Dubai for allowing us to organize this event here in this venue, which is so beautiful and very apt for our objective that the special children were comfortably placed here, performed, and everything would be done in a manner that we are expecting it to happen. So the facilities have been given to us and that's so very supportive of them. Thank you very much. I would like to thank the sponsors without their support, we would not be able to bring a success to this event. I would like to thank a dance studio for making the workshop possible for us, because we were looking out for a venue which was so apt for giving a training to all the mothers and the children. So if do we have a representative from dance right now? Mr. Sachin. I would request Dr. Alka and Sir Nabeel to please come on stage. Fakhruddin General support us in the event and make it a success. We would like to thank Zen Productions for their photography and videography support and partners. We would like to thank Make My Meal to help us with the other arrangements of food for our guests. Apart from the other sponsors, I would also like to thank the other principals that have come from the different schools. Ms. Mosmi, the principal of AMT in Sharjah, Ms. Komal from Springdale's India School in Sharjah, and I would also like to thank Ms. Anuja, the Senate Councillor in Amity School, Dr. Sonakshi, who is the head of the Department of Psychology in Amity University. I would also like to thank the Vice President of Sheikh Rashid Pakistani School. Thank you all for your presence. That is a real encouragement for our children. I would also like to thank Ms. Aisha Lakadwala for her presence. The STEM department and the STEM coordinators from different schools, Ms. Narissa, Mr. Andaleep, thank you for your presence. Sorry if I'm missing out anybody. My apologies. I would also like to thank the other support, individual supports that is extended by Ms. Ramina, Dr. Jamila, and also the representative of English Language School, Ms. Lawrence. You have been in many ways given us the support that is required for successfully conducting this, and your presence means a lot for us. I would like to thank our celebrity guest, Ms. Kalpita Kachru, for her, yes, could I please request the mommies and also the little kids, and has been an inspiration all this week that she's been with us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for training our special children to conduct a good musical performance, and also for your wonderful performance on stage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lush, to be on stage, please. You have been an inspiration, and I have no words to express the support that you give to us. EduScan children have been so attached to you with the love and care that you give us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Could we also... Please, sir. Thank you so much. Can we have a picture?
തലയാട്ട്
Mr. Javed Akhtar, Mr. Siraj and Mr. Shirag. Thank you so much, you've made and Sir Naveen, because that is where the entire resources and the inspiration. So she's the one driving us forward to work for all these children. Could I request Mr. Zaim? I remember when he came first to just have a look at the romances. He was supportive and was so much open to give us, to support us in all the possible ways that was available here. And he's never said no to anything that we have asked for. So thank you so much. Do come.
Thanks to all the team members who came all the way from India. Let's give a big hand to all of them. And all the team members who did excellent well, who worked very hard. Deep thanks from the core of my heart. Thanks to all those on board. Day and night, they work for it. And it has been only because of the efforts of all of you, we were able to conduct this conference so nice. And without the presence of all of you, definitely this function would not have been possible. So let's give a big hand for all of us. Thank you so much and join for the dinner, please.